Tell everybody what we're doing today.
We're going to fish on the barges with voodoo shrimp. Try to catch some bass.
Oh yeah. Barges and waterfalls. Y'all see. We're gonna tear them up.
We're gonna catch 50 to 100 fish.
Right now it's pouring. And if it don't stop raining, then y'all might not get to see very much because this ain't waterproof. But we're gonna catch them today.
Oh!
Oh yeah.
Big one.
What the?
I'll stay out here.
Grass bass? Oh yeah. Is that a big one?
No.
Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, that's a good one. Show them off.
Good one.
Show them that. Show them that eat.
It's on that
Carlos'
part.
first one of the day. Choked it.
Better get to the side. We ain't gonna piss it off.
Oh.
Dang.
Carlo with the big one. Well, I'm retying. Show him to the camera. Hey. Another baby. Boy Stig. Dang it. Yeah, I know. Saw that, guys? I didn't set the hook with a wacky worm. Let's go. Pro tip from Carlo. There he is. Another baby. Carlo got him a baby. Oh, good.
Oh.
Eat her. I'm just kidding. We practice catch and release. Flip them.
Oh!
Yeah, show the camera.
That's a good one, baby.
God, not so close. Nice one.
That's a 12-inch. Oh, fun.
Dang. I need to start flipping. Baby.
Good one.
What is that?
What was that?
It's like an alpaca. Oh. Oh. Red. Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
That's an eater down here in Southwest Louisiana.
Southwest Louisiana.
Show the camera. Show the camera. Show the camera. Leave it on the hook. Heck yeah.
These spots all on.
Dang, that's a pretty one.
That's a pretty one.
Hey, hey. Yep.
Oh.
Is that a big one? There we go.
This one might get 12. Yeah, that's 12.
Show them off, Carlo. Double, baby.
Double.
Hey! Another little baby. Good old waterfall bite. Let y'all know about it. Later, dude. Another one. Hey, hey! Another baby. Little dude. Maybe because it's a cheap one, I don't know. Oh, I just got hammered. Oh yeah. I'm sure y'all are probably tired of me seeing me talking to YouTube. I'm sure y'all are probably tired of seeing me flip over this little bridge thingy and catch them, but I don't care, it's fun. Later. Oh, good one. Another baby. Felt better though. Later, Timothy.
Yes. Should I put it on live or cut it in half?
All right. Done fishing. Eating. Probably caught about what? 30 fish?
25, 30.
It got rained out. But it was a good little trip. See y'all next time.